Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use iPhone as webcam on any laptop. Now to do that, first of all, on your laptop, just open Google Chrome. Now to visit the official website, in the search bar, just search droidcam.app. Now from here, just click on install the droidcam client on your computer. And from here, just click on Windows Setup. Now from here, just click on droidcam.client.setup and you will download the droidcam app on your laptop. Now as you can see, the app is currently downloading. Now from here, you can either click on the folder icon to go to the download section, or you can go to the home screen and open the Files app. Now from here, just go to Downloads, and from here you will find the droidcam app on your laptop. Now just right click on it and select Run as Administrator and click on Next. Now just click on I agree. Now just click on Install. Now just click on Finish. And once you do that, you will download the droidcam app on your laptop. Now to find the droidcam app, just click on the search box and from here just search droidcam. Now as you can see, this is the droidcam app, and from here you can right click on it, and from here you can pin this app to the taskbar, and you can also pin this app to the start. Now just open the droidcam app on your laptop. Now once you do that, now on your iPhone, just open the App Store. Now in the search bar, just search droidcam. Now just install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Continue. Now just tap on OK. Now just give this app these permissions. Now just select Allow. Now on your laptop, just click over here to connect your iPhone to your laptop. Now as you can see, it detected the name of our iPhone. Now just click on the name of your iPhone. And this is how you can use your iPhone as the webcam for any laptop. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.